Hi, my name is Harshpreet Kaur, and today I am going to talk about my individual presentation on the topic importance of international education. And here are the overview of my presentation, which I am going to talk further. To start with, migration of students from one country to another country is considered as an international education, and nowadays importance of international education is growing in an increasingly rate. Basically, I choose this topic because I really want to spread awareness among students about international education and its importance. To start with, international education is important for students because it helps them to enhance various skills like language and cultural skill, and it gives access to scholar to do research with international database, and it also give a chance to student to engage with new student from different countries and enhance their knowledge towards culture and lifestyles of other students. And in today era, it is really very important for a student to have a knowledge about culture, and it's important for a student to become culturally intelligent. University colleges also help international students to get knowledge about working in groups, as working in groups has become a necessity to every firm operating in global economy for their success. And I am also an international student studying from Exenda, which is in Canada, and I learned many things from my college, like working in groups and making presentation. Everything I learned from my college, I am really very sure that it will help me in my future, in future jobs and interviews as well. Moving further, international education is important for students because it also helps students to take the advantage of opportunities like job opportunities and many more. While studying abroad, students get to work in a totally new environment than their home country, and this experience gained by student in a foreign country also makes their resume looks more good. And international education is also very important because international corporation and multinational companies demand international education from students. So to get a chance to do job in companies like multinational companies, it is very important for a student to educate internationally and make their future better and comfortable. International student rate is growing very rapidly. For example, in January 2019, ISC research reports that there were 10,000 international students and nearly about 5 million students around the world. With those numbers only sets to rise as the demand for access to international education heightens. And according to Nelson Mandela, it is very important for a student to have different languages experience, uh, as if we talk to a person in a language that he understand, that goes to his head, but if we talk to a person in his own language, that goes to his heart. So that's why it's really very important to have a knowledge about different languages, and this is only possible by international education. Moving further, here are the some references on my topic importance of international education. And at last, students should their education internationally to make their future and their family future more comfortable and more better. And this is my presentation, and I hope you will like it. Thank you.